Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line S-Tronic finished in the modern Chronos Grey metallic paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a petrol engine with 110 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include these striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A1 badging, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 335 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a big weekly food shop. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with front dorsal trims with the S logo for that extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses multifunctional leather steering wheel complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display has similar options including various radio and telephone connections. From here you can also find USB-C connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for efficiency or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features a storage compartment with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter and 3 cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.